Bella, the show's almost over, honey. Oh, are you getting tired? You want to take a nappy soon? Yeah, are you getting sleepy? I know. We're gonna go down for a nap in a minute, okay? Yeah, we're gonna go down. Shh, shh, shh. Hot diggity dog. They're full of beans. Did you like that? That made you happy? Yay! Thank goodness for Mickey Mouse. Okay, bye-bye.